Okay, so we are going to learn problem sums. But before moving on to problem sums, this is one more calculation that you need to learn. यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? You have to convert into milliliters and then you are supposed to add. यानी कि जो लीटर्स में है उसे भी मिलीलीटर्स में चेंज करो and then you add. For this, how will we do? 2 liters is equal to how many milliliters? हमने orally किया था 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. तो 2 liters will be 2000 milliliters. Right? तो ये liters को हमने convert कर दिया. This is already into milliliters. तो इसे convert करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Again, 3 liters को हम milliliters में convert करेंगे. Same thing, 1 liter 1000 milliliter. So 3 liters is equal to 3000 milliliters. तो अब सारे digits हमें milliliters में मिल गए. Now we're going to add them up. How will we add? The first, पहले हम first measurement लेंगे. So 2000 milliliters plus 250 milliliters, which is equal to 2250 milliliter. ये first हो गया. Now we'll take up the second. 3000 milliliters plus 450 milliliters जो already दिया हुआ था. इसे हम ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा? 3450 milliliters. अब इन दोनों को ऐड कर लो. तो what is the answer that you get? 5700 ml is the answer you get. So, जब मिलीलीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो जो भी लीटर्स हैं उससे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. जो ऑलरेडी मिलीलीटर में दिया हुआ है उसे तो कन्वर्ट करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need to convert that, right? तो जो 2 liters which was converted into 2000 milliliters were added to 250 ml. 2000 ml हमने लीटर्स को कन्वर्ट किया, 250 दिया हुआ था. ये दोनों को ऐड करके ये फर्स्ट अमाउंट हो गई. The second amount, the second quantity was made और फिर दोनों क्वांटिटी को ऐड किया तो we get the answer that is in milliliters. अब काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस में ये भी आ सकता है कि आपने मिलीलीटर्स में कन्वर्ट किया. Now turn this into liters and milliliters. तो simple way to turn this or convert this is the last 3 digits, that is up to hundreds. Hundreds तक क्या होगा? Milliliters होगा and 1000 will turn into liters. So what will be the answer that you get? You will get 5 liters and 700 milliliters. So अगर आपको फिर से लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आप लीटर्स और मिलीलीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करके ऐसे आंसर लिख सकते हो. Alright, now we move to problem sums. Okay, so this is our first problem sum. Let's read it and try to understand it. Jitendra had 2 liter bottle of cold drink. तो bottle 2 liter capacity की है. Okay? Out of that, he drank 450 ml of the drink. तो 2 liter में से 450 जितेंद्र ने पी ली. That is, he has drank that much of cold drink. His friend drank 550 ml of drink from it. 450 जितेंद्र ने ड्रिंक की और 550 जितेंद्र के फ्रेंड ने ड्रिंक की. How much drink is left in the bottle now? So 2 लीटर की बॉटल है, उसमें से 450 माइनस हो गया, सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया एंड 550 भी सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया. So now what will we do? First we will calculate how much of the drink has been used up. तो उसके लिए statements we'll write first. Jitendra drank 450 ml. Jitendra's friend drank 550 ml. So इन दोनों को टोटल करेंगे. So what do we get? So what is this? Total drink they drank. So total drink कितना यूज हो गया? 1000 ml यूज हो गया. Now what is left? You have 2 liters. So there is one thing that you can do is either 2 liters को 2000 milliliter में convert कर दो या 1000 ml को 1 liter में convert कर दो. Converting liters into milliliters is a better option क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें 1000 मिला है. At times there is some more numbers also, some more digits in the hundreds, tens and units place. तो ये करना difficult हो जाएगा. So what we will do is 2 liters is equal to 2000 milliliters. Bottle of cold drink is 2000 ml. Cold drink used up is 1000 ml. So you subtract it and you get the answer, that is 2000 ml. So how much drink is left in the bottle now? Answer is this 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter also. So you can write 1 liter drink is left in the bottle now. Right? So this is how you can solve a problem sum. We'll try one more. So this is the second problem sum. A family uses 280 liters of water in one day. How much water is used by this family in a week? Now, how many liters is given? And it is given for one day. And here it is a week. So first we will convert the week into days. 1 week is equal to 7 days, right? So in one day, a family uses water is equal to 280 liters. Therefore, in 7 days, a family uses water is equal to 280 multiplied by 7. Okay, so we'll do the working here. 280 multiplied by 7 zeros are 7. So the answer is 1960 liters. So you write the answer. The family uses 1960 liters of water in a week. Right? So I hope you have understood the concept of liters and milliliters, the conversion, and how to solve the problem sums. Here we end this chapter of jugs and mugs, and the syllabus is also over for the first term. See you. Goodbye.